Hello everyone. Right now this is the 2017 Lincoln MKZ Reserve. As you can see, got chrome grille, got LED headlights, LED fog lights. As you can see, got parking sensors. Got keyless entry, also blind spot monitoring. Here's what the sticker looks like. This car only has 19,000 miles and it's from CarMax. Gas cap, takes gasoline. Got a backup camera right there. Lock, unlock, two-person memory. Right here is your window controls, mirror controls, window lock, power folding mirrors. Got a driver power seat with power lumbar. Right here is your headlight controls. Right here is where you can turn down the gauge dimmer brightness by the minus and the plus. Right here is your trunk release. Right here is your electronic parking brake. As you can see, right here is your hood release, pedals. Got your turn signal controls and wiper controls. Right here, got paddle shifters. Here is your controls for the gauges right here. Got cruise control and your radio controls with Bluetooth. Right here, got the Revel Ultimate speakers. Right here is where you can start the vehicle, and right here is the transmission, park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Also sport. Got two air vents. Got tracking control off, auto hold, your hazards, your parking assist, which it can the car can park by itself by the steering. Right here is your parking assist. Right here, got a console. Right here's your radio controls. Got your climate control. Right here, got ventilated and heated seats for both driver and passenger side. And also you get a heating steering wheel. Got storage with a USB port, two cup holders, got storage and a power outlet, also a USB port. Got garage home link right here. Right here you got a mirror. Right here, got LED lighting, your sunroof control, light control, which this one has a sunroof, as you can see. And the seats are leather. They're very comfortable. I like how you got this, and it's very supportive and just comfortable. You can even feel the padding when you like do this. You can feel it. It's very comfortable. holds you in very well. It's a very nice car. Got some storage right here, and got a speaker, more speakers. Got rear heated seats, air vents, and 2 USB ports with a power outlet. Got some storage in here. 2 cup holders, some storage, and you get a trunk pass through. Got a light right here. Here's what the sticker look like again. Gas cap. Got a spare tire. And also got your cargo net. This one is the 3.0 T all-wheel drive. Got some storage in here, and got your owner's manual and your certificate. Got LED lighting in there. Also, you get some storage in here, and more storage with a power outlet, as you can see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.